The 110 Folding Hunter is an iconic, timeless design, but next-generation 110 fans have been asking for new materials on their favorite classic. The Pro version looks and functions like our 110 Folding Hunter, but we added an upgraded S30V steel blade, extremely durable G10 handles, and brushed finished nickel-silver bolsters. We had many requests for this version from our custom knife shop, but now it is available for everyone. Handles are machined from G10 and riveted to the bolster. Blades are laser cut from S30V stainless steel. Bushings, rockers, large pins, spacers, and small pins are gathered for assembly. A fixture holds the bolster in place so that the small pins and rocker can be installed. Bolster, spacer, and rocker spring are added. Blade bushing and blade are set in place. Pneumatic pressure is applied to the rocker spring. Rivets are pressed and pin is rolled. The spine and belly are sanded flush. Rivets and pin are also flush sanded. A Ticro wheel is used to chamfer and align the handle edges to the bolster. Finally, the knife is edged and sharpened. S30V stainless steel, 3 3/4 inch clip point blade, 120 thousandths of an inch thick, lock-back design, brushed nickel-silver bolsters, expertly machined G10 handle scales, weighs 7.7 ounces, genuine leather sheath, made in the USA. We strive to maintain the quality and reliability promised with each of our knives, while maintaining integrity through every step. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new buck knife, free of charge.